Okay, so welcome guys. So this is well, another integration by part video, and what we're gonna to prove is basically prove this reduction formula. So we just use the 2 times of integration by part, then we can solve it. Okay, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I already said that so many times. Okay, so we just write it as this, right? And use our lovely integration by part. Okay, and so we do the integration by part. Okay, hopefully this is correct. And so we can write it as this. Okay, and we do the second time integration by part. So this stupid terms, this dx cosine ax. Okay, so this is this plus. Sorry, let me just clear something. Yeah, plus because this is 1 over a, right? So 1 over a. What? So cosine ax, and the derivative again. So it's x and a sine ax minus also plus n a squared x and minus 1 cosine ax minus a over n minus 2 cosine ax x and minus 2 dx. Okay, so this is Jn, right? So this Jn equal to this one plus this one. What is this? Remember there's a squared. Okay, what is this? So it's Jn minus 2, right? So we just times a squared. So times a squared. Somehow like there's a somehow everyone has. So we get a squared Jn equals to this one. So when you times a squared, there's a here. So ax to the n sine x plus n x and minus 1 cosine x minus n times n minus 1 Jn minus 2. Okay, we go back to C. Okay, so this is what we want. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.